Here are Paul and Judy. They can do lots of things. You can do lots of things too. Judy can pat the bunny. Now you pat the bunny. Good job. And turn the page. Judy can play peekaboo with Paul. Peekaboo! Oh, we skipped a page. Hang on. We skipped a page. Hang on. Paul can smell the flowers. Now you smell the flowers. Judy can look in the mirror. Now you look in the mirror. Judy can feel Daddy's scratchy face. Now you feel Daddy's scratchy face. Judy can read her book. Now you read Judy's book. Good job. Paul can put his finger through Mommy's ring. Now you put your finger through Mommy's ring. Good job. That's all. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Paul and Judy are waving bye-bye. The end. Yay!